Let's make a corn necklace. You are going to need 3 brown pipe cleaners. Make sure they're nice and straight. I'm going to start by laying them almost in like a snowflake look. And you want to make sure they're even, not like that. Don't do that. So start with like a cross. You can twist them together, maybe like an X, 1, 2 times. Now I'm going to add the next one, the third piece, and I'm going to kind of twist that on there too so they don't fall apart. So I should have 6 little brown sticks sticking out. I'm going to put 6 beads on each one of these brown pipe cleaners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's double count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to move on to the next one. I'm going to put 6 again. And remember, kernels of corn can be yellow, brown, and orange. So it's up to you how you decide you want to do that. 6 on each little snowflake part. So do the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to bend them all up to the center. Bring them all up. I'm going to make my ear of corn. Now I'm going to take those ends, make sure all the beads are squished down, and twist. Twist 1, 2, 3 times. There we go. I'm going to kind of fix those little silks. Those are the little silks for my ear of corn. There's my little baby ear of corn. Now Miss Martinez can help you with this part. We're going to put a piece of string through one of the little strands. There we go. And she'll go ahead and tie a knot for you. And there we go. Your necklace is ready to go. Beautiful.